Galaxy Mini is E-MetroTel's SMB appliance solution. The platform comes out of the box with 32 standard extensions and has the capability to expand to 96 extensions with the optional expansion bundle. Standard extensions support E-MetroTel's Infinity 3065 and 5000 series XSTEM devices, as well as NEC, Panasonic, Nortel, and Avaya IP and digital devices and analog devices using our gateways for connectivity. Universal extensions are optional and support all standard extension endpoint devices as well as third-party SIP clients. The Galaxy Mini appliance supports most UCX software features and applications. Because Galaxy Mini is optimized for small business customers, a few resource-intensive applications such as Call Center, Infinity One, and call recording are excluded from the platform and require our other Galaxy platforms or our virtualized or UCX cloud offering for customers who need these capabilities. The Galaxy Mini is still a fully featured non-blocking appliance supporting over 100 features, including full voicemail with auto attendant, shared call appearance, voicemail to email, conference bridge, and even E911 notification. It can function standalone in an office, as a branch location in an enterprise network, or as a gateway for a centralized or survivability solution. Galaxy Mini includes power and run indicators, USB backup ports, 2 Ethernet ports, a power input jack, an internal SSD supporting 80 hours of voicemail storage, is wall-mountable as an option, and is equipped with 8 FXS RJ11 jacks. You can extend the Galaxy Mini's physical interface support to include FXO, PRI, or even additional FXS ports using our Galaxy Express chassis. And you can even connect an unlimited number of SIP trunks to the Galaxy Mini. On top of that, no costly licensing is required to support analog, digital, or SIP trunks. All Galaxy servers support the same UCX operating software. This means that if a customer eventually migrates to a larger Galaxy platform, no feature retraining is required for the customer or the reseller, and the customer configuration can simply be restored to the larger system running the same software. And for greater security, the appliance includes a built-in firewall. If you would like to talk more about Galaxy Mini or other E-MetroTel products, we are ready to talk. Contact us at EMetroTel.com or at sales@EMetroTel.com.